birth mother recently spoke to some blogs and is saying that you were only adopting Jaden for the show.
Stop it. Get some help.
She talked about adopting Jaden years ago.
Rachel did.
Rachel did to me, yes.
Jaden.
Let's do that again. No.
Jaden's birth mother is saying that John is preventing her from
the level I would have to start at. I literally don't have the bandwidth. Oh my God. Oh my God.
speaking to or seeing Jaden. What's the story there?
Well, unfortunately, I think one of my castmates can provide more information because allegedly she was contacted because of Louie.
What the hell is the world coming to?
Nope.
And that was the information that I was told.
Can't go to prison, Roy. They'll rape the flip out of me.